Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be making some easy and refreshing paletas de PICAFRESA. So if you're ready, let's get started. So I already have my strawberries here soaking in water and white vinegar. So they've been soaking for 5 minutes, so now I'm just going to give it a final rinse. Okay, so once we have our strawberries all nice and clean, we're going to remove the stems. Alright, so once we have removed the stems from our strawberries, now we're going to smash them down. I'm going to be using my hand blender, but of course you can also throw them in your blender and just mash them. Alrighty, and once we have our strawberries all nice and smashed, now we are ready to make our mixture. In our saucepan, we're going to add 1 cup of water, 1 cup and a quarter of sugar, 3 tablespoons of Tajin, and 5 tablespoons of chamoy. We're going to set it on high heat and dissolve the sugar. Okay, so once our water has come to a simmer, at this point the sugar should have dissolved. So now we're going to add our strawberries. Make sure you add them all. Going to mix it. And just allow it to come to a full simmer. Okay, so once our mixture has come to a full simmer, at this point taste it and see if you want to add more Tajin or more chamoy. For me, this is perfect. My kids enjoy it. So now I'm just going to reduce the heat to medium and we're going to allow it to continue simmering for 15 minutes. Make sure that you're mixing it constantly. Okay, so after 15 minutes, our mixture is done. So as you can see, it should have thickened up. So now we're going to turn it off and we're going to allow it to cool down completely. I like to transfer it to a measuring cup. So just be very careful. And now we just wait. Alrighty guys, so once our mixture has cooled down completely, we're going to get ready for the fun part. So of course, we're just going to mix it before we begin to pour it to our popsicle molds. So I'm going to be using my popsicle molds that I got off of Amazon. I will leave the link in the description box, but you can use whatever you have. And if you don't have the molds, you can always just use a cup. Okay. So just mix it and carefully, we're going to begin to pour. So I'm just going to put the top cover and insert the little sticks. So just be careful and poke it through. Okay, so now we're going to place them in our freezer and allow them to chill overnight or for at least 6 hours. Alrighty guys, so it is the next day and our popsicles were chilling all overnight. So now we can get ready for the fun part. So we are all ready. So I'm just going to begin by removing the silicone from our molds. Okay, just pull it and carefully pull it out, just like that. Alrighty guys, and now for the best part.
The taste test.
So we are ready. Let me tell you guys that of course, as soon as you remove them from the mold, get ready to enjoy them. And the hardest part about this recipe is just waiting. But if you make them the night before, the morning you can wake up and surprise your kids, your friends, family. But these are honestly so delicious and they're just perfect for this time of year. So you ready? He is ready. He loves the paletas, don't you? Don't you? So are you ready? So I hope you give this recipe a try and enjoy them just as much. Cheers and enjoy. So delicious. How are they?
Good.
Of course, he was just waiting. Are they spicy? They're not spicy. You can make them spicier, if you want to add more Tajin. But for me, this is honestly perfect. You can taste the strawberry, you can taste the Tajin, the chamoy. It's perfect. And they're so refreshing. Take a bite. Go ahead. You can always drizzle some more chamoy and Tajin. But these like that are so good. If you like the little candies, little PICAFRESAs, you're going to definitely love this strawberry. paletas. You ready? Let's go. Alrighty guys, and there you have it, how to make some delicious paletas de PICAFRESA. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, share with your friends and family, and if you do get this recipe, please don't forget to tag me in any of my social medias, and if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button so you guys keep part of our family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys at my next video. Bye.